Hi guys, it's your girl Justena Elise, and today we're gonna do a pre-poo on this very frizzy twist out that I just took out. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so as I said, I just took out this twist out. I have my hair in like really mini twist. And I just took it out, trying to decide if I wanted to like just keep the twist out or let it go. And I think I'm just gonna let it go because I do have an important celebration party that I have to go in a couple of days. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare myself for my next style. So as y'all see, this twist out, it has definition, but it is frizzy in some areas, like right here. My edges, my roots are like frizzy and stuff. So I wanted to do a pre-poo. Now, as y'all know, like my very first video on YouTube was actually a pre-poo. It was actually the aloe vera and avocado oil pre-poo that I did on my hair. And I wanted to revisit avocado oil. I wanted to revisit it because I really liked how when I was using it, it helped me detangle my hair. It helped me kind of like bump up the leave-in that I was using, whatever leave-in I was using. And I wanted to revisit this again. So I brought it back. And I'm just going to do a pre-poo with this product. And I'm going to tell you why. So I was looking at the benefits of avocado oil and avocados and stuff like that, and because specifically recently I have been doing keto, so I've been eating like a whole bunch of avocados. Like literally I eat at least 1 or 2 avocados a day just to bring up on my fats that I have during the day. So intaking that and probably like putting it on my hair is probably like beneficial for not only my hair, my skin, my body, and all those things. So I wanted to like look into like what are the specific benefits for avocado oil and how will it help me when I am pre-pooing my hair. It actually says on this website, and I'll link it down below so y'all can see specifically what it says. It says avocado oil is light enough to seep into your hair follicles. It helps penetrate deeply into your hair for long-lasting nourishment. It is rich in vitamin E. It is light but not greasy. And I did notice that when I was using it, compared to when I was using like coconut oil in my pads, coconut oil is like super greasy. Olive oil is like a little bit super greasy for me, but avocado oil was not that greasy for me. Another benefit is that it helps with hair loss, helps moisturize your hair, and helps add shine, helps with dandruff. And as y'all know, I've been having super itchy scalp, so I wanted to see like would the avocado oil help me with that or something like that. So hopefully that will help me. So it also says that it's great for detangling for thick curly hair. So it helps with slip, so that you can finger or wide tooth comb your curly hair so the knots can slip out. So we're gonna try that today because usually I detangle by finger detangling first, and then I go in with the wide tooth comb or Denman brush or detangling brush or whatever. It's a great additive for cheap shampoo, conditioners, and it's great for scalp oil. So it's great for refreshing scalp wash and go. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my pre-poo. I did bring my water bottle as well, and I'm gonna like damp my hair, not like soak it down, but damp my hair. So when because I am gonna leave this in overnight and come back tomorrow and show you how my hair is looking, how much shine it might have after I like let it sit in my hair for a while, and then also after I shampoo it out of my hair. I just want to see how my hair looks overall and see how this avocado oil does to my hair. So let's see. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this avocado oil out. Y'all are not following me on Instagram, remember to go follow me at Justena and you'll see all the behind the scenes of my hair. So first I'm going to section off my hair to about medium sized sections. Go ahead and damp it with some water. I do not want it to be drenched, but as y'all can see, I do have tangles, and I'm going to go ahead and try not to spill all that oil and go ahead and apply it to my hair. Guys, when I applied this oil, it was so easy to start finger detangling. I started off at the tips of my hair and went up. And one thing I love about finger detangling is that I detangle slowly and I'm able to feel every little knot that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and also detangle it with a Y2 comb and then twist it up to keep it detangled. So if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video, and continue watching me detangle my hair. Finish putting the avocado oil on my hair. This is how my hair is pretty much looking. It looks pretty juicy. I am gonna note that this is the first one that I did, and I'm just gonna take it down right quickly. Take it down right quick, and it's pretty much like the oil is like literally absorbed into my hair. That's what I feel like. It is literally absorbed into my hair. I don't know if I maybe didn't put as much water as everywhere else, but it's pretty much absorbed. So I'm actually gonna like re-wet it and all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna go ahead and shower cap that I'm gonna wear tonight. And yeah, I don't think I wetted enough. I think that's what it was, because my hair is still detangled. Like I'm just gonna take this last bit of oil I got in this. That is how my hair is primarily looking. Go ahead and twist this section up. My hair looks so much better now. So much better, boo. So much better. Alright, so that's how pretty much all my twists are looking juicy and stuff. Kind of put it on the top of my head, on my edges, and kind of like massage it into my scalp. Whew, that feels so good. Since it says it's a good scalp oil, I do want to take advantage of that nutrients that I'm gonna get from it. Alright, so this is how your girl's hair is looking. I am gonna go ahead and take a shower cap. Alright, I got that bad boy on, and I'm going to go to bed, and I will see y'all in the morning. Alright guys, so this is how my hair looks the next day before I shampooed it out. It's still detangled. It's still a little oily, but pretty much all the oil absorbed. And this is how it looks after I shampooed all my hair out. My hair is, well, my scalp is a little bit itchy, but I think it looks pretty good. And I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit more about my hair. This is how long my hair has grown. It has grown so much over the past like 9 months or so that I've been really trying to take care of it, and I'm just excited about the growth of my hair. this is how my hair looks after I shampoo it. I did shampoo it with a clarifying shampoo, the VO5 clarifying shampoo, and then I went in with the moisturizing shampoo from Cream of Nature Honey Line. Oh no, Lottie Body Honey Line. And this is basically how my hair is looking. It is definitely clarified. It is definitely like squeaky clean and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a deep conditioner. But since we made it to the end of the video, make sure you subscribe, click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Comment below anything that you might do for a pre-poo. Maybe give me a new idea of what I should do for a pre-poo, because by doing the avocado oil, it helped me detangle. It helped my hair not get too stripped, and that is like a great benefit when you are doing a pre-poo. Like, that's basically the whole point, doing a pre-poo, to make sure your hair is detangles correctly and that you're able to get moisturized, non-super stripped hair. So that's basically what I did to prepare for my protective style. And so yeah, remember guys, you're blessed. Bye guys.